Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS not showing your USB capture card. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, we need to check if your system is properly detecting the capture card. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click the Start button. Then type Device Manager and click it from the results that appear. This tool lets us see all the hardware devices connected to your computer and whether they're functioning correctly. Once Device Manager opens, look for the Cameras category and double-click on it to expand it. Here you should see your camera listed if it's being detected by your system. This confirms that Windows recognizes your capture card's video input, which is essential for OBS to access it later. Next, find and double-click on Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Make sure all your devices are showing up here as detected. This section is crucial because capture cards often appear here as video and audio devices. And if something's missing or showing an error icon, that's likely the source of your problem in OBS. Now, if your capture card doesn't appear in either of these sections, there are a few troubleshooting steps you should try. First, disconnect your capture card and try plugging it into another USB port on your computer. Avoid using USB hubs as they can sometimes cause power or bandwidth issues. If possible, connect directly to a USB 3.0 port, as these provide better performance and compatibility for capture devices. After reconnecting, check Device Manager again to see if it now appears. Assuming your capture card is now detected by Windows, let's move over to OBS. In the bottom left section of OBS, navigate to your Sources panel. Click the plus icon to add a new source. Then select Video Capture Device from the list that appears. This source type is specifically designed to capture video from external devices like your USB capture card. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your source. Go ahead and rename it to something recognizable, then click OK. This helps keep your sources organized, especially if you're working with multiple video inputs. Finally, you'll see another window with device settings. Click the device drop-down menu. Your capture card should appear in this list. Although I don't have any USB capture card connected right now, if you see yours listed there, select it and then click OK. OBS should now start displaying the feed from your capture card, and that's it. Your USB capture card should now be working properly in OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.